Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Che, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a filet triangles edging or lace pattern, and this particular sample I worked with my hobby store Aran Premium Acrylic Anti-Pill 5-ply yarn and a 5 clover crochet hook. And this is worked with a short row, so you can work it to the length required. So the pattern is flexible and versatile too. So let's go into the video without any delay. Chain 12, now place a double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4. One double crochet in the next chain, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the next, a V stitch practically, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Now chain 2, skip 2 chains and place 1 DC each on each of the last 4 chains. Turn your work, chain 3 or place a double crochet. One double crochet each on each of the next 3 doubles. Chain 2, one double on this double crochet, next double. Now chain 2, one double on each of the last 4 doubles, one double each. Do not forget to place your double on the turning chain here. So we need to have 4 doubles here. Now turn your work. You may chain 3 and begin, or place a standing twisted double. This is row 3. One double in the next 2, one each, and then make a V stitch on the next double. That is, V stitches DC, chain 2, DC. Now chain 2, double on the double, chain 2, one double each on each of the last 4 doubles. For row 4, turn your work. You may begin by chaining 3. Chain 3 is considered as a double, or place one double each on each of the next 4 doubles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in the chain 2 space, place 2 double crochets. one double on the double again, two doubles into the chain 2 space, again one double on double, two doubles in the chain 2 space, now one double on each of the doubles. We are likely to miss out the stitch. Be careful to be alert enough to place your last stitch, otherwise your pattern will go wrong. So we complete row 4. Turn your work. Row 5, you can begin with chaining 3 or make a standing twisted double crochet. That gives a neater edge. So one double each on each of the next 2 doubles, then place a V-stitch, DC, chain 2, DC. Now chain 2, skip 2 and place 1 DC each on each of the next 4. So we have completed one stitch repeat. The stitch repeats are the stitch pattern repeat is the stitches for row 2 to 5. So repeat rows 2 to 5 to the desired length and form the lace. So I shall make a few more repeats and get back to you. Friends, I have made a few more repeats of rows 2 to 5, and this is how this fillet triangles develop into, and this becomes a great lace for your edging for your projects. Thank you friends for viewing our videos. If you happen to be the first time viewer, please do subscribe, like and share our videos, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day.